Once there was a young girl who was a good time fun girl, and she went through her younger life singing. Then at the time of 16, she got into a new thing. She dug the groups and the songs that they were singing. Into her life there came a long hair who said that she was nowhere unless she showed his friends some of her favors. Groupie girl, you know you do your thing so fine, but groupie girl, you get old before your time. Like a joint, she was passed round by the groups that came into the town, and she no longer cared about her welfare. With her leather bags and moccasin shoes, she acts as if she's nothing to lose, and she no longer